Organs you don't need. Your body is an incredible survival machine. Believe it or not, you can live a normal life even without some of your organs. Let's look at 5 of them. 1. Spleen. The spleen filters blood and fights infection. But if it's removed after trauma, other organs take over. You'll just need some vaccines to stay safe. Gallbladder. Stores bile to digest fat. Without it, bile drips directly from the liver into the intestine. You can still eat normally, just avoid heavy greasy meals. Appendix. This tiny pouch in your gut is almost useless today. It may help gut bacteria, but removing it doesn't harm your life. 1. Kidney. You have 2 kidneys, but you only need 1 to survive. Donors live normal lives with 1 kidney. 1 lung. Amazingly, you can survive with just 1 lung. You'll get tired faster, but oxygen supply is still enough for daily life. Conclusion. So yes, humans are pretty tough. While every organ has a role, these 5 aren't essential for survival. Science shows us how adaptable the human body really is.